Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create trending biker glow heart effect reels editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut, this one. And then I'm going to create trending biker glow heart effect reels editing using this video. First of all guys, I'm going to create velocity edit for this video. As you can see, I have added music or sound to this project, and I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to create velocity effect. If we want to create velocity effect, we can click on the effect and then select the photo effect. Okay, and then we're going to go to the velocity. Oops, sorry guys, we need to tap on our video first. Go to effect and then go to the style and then select velocity and select the flash velocity, and wait, the velocity effect will be added automatically. We just need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's still loading. Hold on. Okay, and now the velocity effect has been applied to my video, and this is how it looks. Okay, and then it's time to add glow heart effect. We're going to go to the effect and then select the video effect, and you need to search for glow hearts like this, and there will be some effects you can apply to your video, and you can choose this one or this one. I think it's the same, but you can adjust this effect. You can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and we're going to make this effect align with our video like this, and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it or to save it, you can click on export, and then the video will be saved to your device, and then the video will be ready to share to Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending biker glow heart effect reels editing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.